HTC has finally entered the 18:9 flagship market with the new U11 Plus. My name is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan. Let's quickly unbox it. Now in India, the U11 Plus has been launched for a price of 56,990, and in doing that, HTC has also decreased the price of the HTC U11 to 45,999. Now the phone is available exclusively on Flipkart. I'll leave links to both the devices in the description below for those who are interested. Inside the box, the first thing is the charger itself. Now it's a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 capable charger, which will be in the Indian pin format since this is a review unit, which is a pre-release unit. This has the different pin system. Also inside the box is a standard USB to USB Type-C cable, which will allow for quick charging. And you also get the HTC U11 earphones. Now these are in-ear style earphones that do offer up active noise cancellation using far-field microphones that are inbuilt into the HTC U11 Plus itself. You will also get additional ear tips for these earphones, and then you get the phone itself. Now inside the box there is also a clear protective case. Now HTC has been doing this with the U11 and now with the U11 Plus. This will help you save the device from getting scratches on the back, which is a must for the kind of gloss that you have on the back of this device. I'm going to get it out of the packaging and I'm going to place it to the side. Next up inside the box, you will also get a USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack dongle, and then you also get a cleaning cloth and some documentation. And that basically will complete the unboxing experience. Let's take a look at the device itself. So over at the front you have the earpiece, which is also the secondary speaker of a stereo setup that is on the U11 Plus. The front facing camera is an 8 megapixel sensor, which does have a BSI sensor, and you do have an f2.0 aperture on this. Just below that is the display. Now this is a 6-inch display with a Quad HD Plus resolution of 2880 by 1440 pixel, giving it a total of 537 pixels per inch. Now the front does have Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and so does the back of the device. But just under the front, you will see a little bit of a chin, which HTC could have done without, but because they're using a Super LCD display, the corners are sharp and not rounded off. At the bottom of the device, you'll see the main microphone. You'll also see the Type-C connector, some antenna lines, and the main speakerphone. Now this is part 2 of the stereo speaker setup that they use for boom sound, using a mixture of the earpiece and the main speaker. Over to the right is where your power button is, and you also get the volume rocker. And over at the top you'll see the secondary microphone along with the SIM tray. Now this is a hybrid tray, allowing you to pop in either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. The micro SD card can be of up to 2 terabyte when it is available. For now it will support 256 gigabyte. There's nothing on the left of the device except a few antenna lines, and on the back is where all the magic is. You can see the Corning Gorilla Glass back with their liquid sort of metal design, with the primary camera, which is a 12.2 megapixel or an Ultra Pixel 3 sensor. Again, it's a backlit sensor, so BSI sensor, and an f1.7 aperture. You can see dual LED flashlights over there, and also a video capture microphone. Also will be useful for additional audio capabilities when you're capturing 3D audio. You also see the fingerprint sensor now sitting at the back in the center, and then you also have the HTC logo, and completely clean apart from that. The device itself, very nice, very glossy, a lot of mix of colors. This is the amazing silver color, available in a ceramic black and a translucent black. In India, only the black color and the silver color is available. The translucent black, which was one of my favorite colors, is not available. Now for those who are wondering what's inside, you get last year's Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chipset, along with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage. The battery is a 3930 mAh battery with no wireless charging. So you get Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 with the included charger, but wireless charging is missing. The device is running Android 8 out of the box, along with HTC's own skin, which is more or less stock Android. You do get lots of Google applications which are pre-downloaded. You also get HTC Sense Companion, which is their own sort of assistant that you can set up, and you also get Alexa capability on these devices, including the HTC U11 and the U11 Plus. The camera interface, pretty much like HTC, the camera UI seems clean, so you do have a few shooting modes, including a full-fledged Pro mode on this device. But primarily the phone is designed for the great audio capture. So if you shift into video, you'll see that you get the 3D audio capability. Also, in the settings app, you can change around the audio profile. So you do have HTC Boom Sound for built-in speakers. And then you also have HTC U11 personalization for your active noise cancellation earphones that are included inside the box. Again, just like the HTC U11, you do have Edge Sense, so you can squeeze from the side to enable actions. You can customize these actions from the settings panel. So you can have a single squeeze or a tight squeeze and hold to sort of launch a different application. So in our case, if we squeeze once, we get into the camera app, but if we squeeze and hold, we get into the Google Assistant, which again, you can customize depending on how you want it. Now, at a price of $56,990, the HTC U11 Plus might be a little late and a little expensive, but it does offer up IP68 water resistance, latest versions of Android, and some interesting hardware. But newer versions of chipsets and newer smartphones just around the corner. Are you going to be interested in the HTC U11 Plus? If you are, do let us know in the comment section below. If you guys want a full review of the HTC U11 Plus, do let us know that in the comment section below as well. Don't forget to check out some of our giveaways. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. I will see you guys in the next one.